You won't believe how this YouTube Shorts channel skyrocketed to fame by sharing captivating football stories with the help of AI. The channel exploded from 0 to over 1 million subscribers and has racked up over 800 million views. When it comes to monetization, YouTube's manual review process can be a bit of a mystery. The actual amount you can make on YouTube depends on your chosen method of monetization. While many opt for straightforward YouTube monetization with ads, we'll be exploring a more lucrative approach. In this video, I'll show you how to create compelling videos, attract views, and turn those views into a lucrative side income. But first, let's look at the concept and why it works. The concept is simple yet powerful. By sharing fascinating football stories and leveraging AI for content creation, you can attract millions of viewers. The engagement on these videos is incredible because football fans love interesting facts, behind-the-scenes stories, and trivia about their favorite players and matches. Here is an example of what we'll be creating.
Here are 3 things you didn't know about Erling Haaland. Erling Haaland is one strange football player. At 16, he started a band called Flow Kings and rapped about world peace at local parks.
So, how do you get started? First, you need to create a compelling script. Begin by visiting ChatGPT and asking for a couple of football player story examples. Use these examples to craft short, catchy stories. Keep them around 50 words, starting with an intriguing phrase like, "Did you know?" Before hitting generate, you need to add a video script sample. Here's what you need to do. Search for a related channel like FC Motivate on YouTube and pick an interesting video from the channel. To get the video transcript, go to the URL and where it says Shorts, change that to Video and hit the Enter button on your keyboard. You will be taken to the landscape version of the Shorts video. Click on More to expose the Show Transcript button. Click on it, and on the right side, you will see the entire video transcript. Click on the 3 dots here, and then on Toggle Timestamp to remove the timestamps. Copy the script, head back to ChatGPT, paste it in to finish your prompt, and hit the Generate button to generate your video script. Now that we have the script generated, the next step is to use it to create a voiceover. You can use a tool like 11 Labs, or you can choose to record yourself narrating the story. For illustration purposes, I'll use 11 Labs. With 11 Labs, the voices are 100% guaranteed for monetization, provided that you offer value in your video and your audience can hear you clearly. To find a good voice, go to the voice library, select Narrative and Storytelling, and listen to the sample voices. Once you have added the voice to your voice lab, simply copy your script from ChatGPT, paste it in, select your chosen voiceover, and hit the Generate button. Within seconds, your script will be transformed into a voiceover. Listen to ensure the quality is up to par. By the way, you will find all the links to the tools mentioned in this video in the description box below. Next, go to Google and search for images related to the topic of your video. For example, if your video is about Erling, search for Erling Haaland images on Google and download them. It's as easy as that. After you have downloaded the images, listen to the voiceover and choose the right images that match the content of your video. Ensure that the downloaded images are relevant to the topic of your video. To start editing the video, open any editing software. I recommend using CapCut as usual. First, import all your files into CapCut. Then, drag the voiceover into the timeline. Arrange your images to match the voiceover, resize them to fit the 9:16 YouTube Shorts frame, and add engaging transitions by clicking the transition icon and selecting overlay. There's no wrong choice for transitions, pick what you like. To add background music, drag your chosen track into the timeline and lower its volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. For captions, click the text icon and select Auto Caption. Choose your language and let CapCut generate captions. Customize the font size and style to your liking.
Did you know why Erling Haaland runs like an ostrich? When Haaland sprints down the pitch, he hunches his shoulders and keeps his head down, mimicking the posture of the giant bird. Why? Well, here's why. As a kid, Haaland competed in athletic events, and this distinctive form gave him an edge against rivals, so ever since this running form stuck with him.
When it comes to monetization, YouTube's manual review process can be a bit of a mystery. You need 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours for Shorts to join their monetization platform. But as I promised earlier in this video, we'll explore a more lucrative approach. Considering viewers' interest in the beautiful game, we can explore avenues such as sports betting apps, football games for monetary rewards, and even surveys for earning. These methods are versatile enough to transition viewers from merely watching videos to actively contributing to your revenue stream. To implement this strategy, we'll head over to Offer Vault and search for SOI single opt-in opportunities. This implies that a single action made by viewers on the website is sufficient for you to earn compensation. Whether it's entering a zip code, submitting an email, clicking a link, or engaging in any action that propels them further into the website, the potential is evident. There's an array of opportunities, like those offering $3 and above payouts for submitting an email to win groceries or other enticing prizes like Amazon gift cards, cell phones, advent calendars, and even tickets to events. You can also explore downloads, offering free software giveaways where users can register or download apps to earn, such as game registrations or downloading to earn money. The cumulative impact of these actions becomes evident, showcasing a rapid accumulation of earnings. Affiliate marketing is a powerful tool in the world of online monetization. In addition to the SOI offers on Offer Vault, there are numerous other affiliate programs and platforms that offer attractive commissions for promoting products related to football and sports in general. By signing up as an affiliate, you can earn a percentage of the sales whenever someone makes a purchase through your referral links. This can be a lucrative opportunity, especially if you have a large and engaged audience. Always focus on promoting products that resonate with your viewers and align with the theme of your channel. By combining these strategies, creating captivating content, utilizing AI tools, and leveraging various monetization methods, you can transform your passion for football into a profitable venture. So, let's get started and make your YouTube Shorts channel a smashing success. Remember to check the description box for all the links to the tools and resources mentioned in this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's anything specific you'd like me to cover in future videos.